Governor of Puerto Rico, Ricardo Rosselló, declared a state of emergency and activated the National Guard as the National Hurricane Center issued a hurricane warning for Puerto Rico this afternoon due to Hurricane Maria. Additionally, an emergency declaration request was sent to U.S. President Donald Trump last night prior to the passage of the hurricane through the local area.
Hurricane Maria has maintained. It has strengthened in its capacity. It has slowed down, at least in projections, once it will come to Puerto Rico, which provides a scenario of danger, of severe danger for Puerto Rico and Puerto Ricans.
The governor warned that flood-prone areas and vulnerable structures must be evacuated today due to weather conditions beginning to deteriorate from tomorrow Tuesday at noon.
Our petition is for all citizens to execute their plan of emergency, make sure that your families are safe, make sure that you can find safe haven in one of our shelters or in another shelter that you may find.
Mayors should give priority to the evacuation of the communities of Playita in Salinas, Juana Matos in Cataño, Barrio Islote in Arecibo, and Amelia in Guaynabo.
Sustained hurricane winds being felt all across the island. Therefore, be cognizant that winds are going to be very dangerous, that water levels are going to increase. We are expecting 12 to 18 inches of rain and in isolated areas up to 25 inches of rain. We're expecting the water levels to increase 6 to 9 feet, in addition to 25 feet waves that could ensue as well.
The hurricane will move at 8 miles per hour when it passes through the local area, and according to the models, the hurricane could enter through the southeast of the island. It is expected that due to the slow movement of the system, the island could experience hurricane winds for 24 hours.
Our efforts right now is to make sure that you're safe, that you actually execute your plan cohesively. Go to temporadasdehuracanes.pr.gov. There you will find all of our shelters, flooding areas, and you can make the appropriate strategies based on that.
Meanwhile, the Puerto Rico Housing Department reported that there are 450 shelters with capacity for 602,000 refugees and up to 125,000 in emergency capacity. The shelters are located around the island at the convention center. This means that there are 6 fewer shelters than those enabled for the passage of Hurricane Irma because those schools have no electric service.